Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have some trail running shoes, and I got these ones here that are just kind of cool looking. I didn't want to get. I'm going to use these here for mostly just for like my walks and stuff around town. Is what I got these for. Not so much for the running, but you can get an idea of what it is here. Let me see what size it says it is. I got size 43, so this is I think like about a size 9 or something. So let's check this out here. And I usually wear like an 8.5, so this will give you an idea of it. Let me get out these papers out of it here. I'll aim y'all down in a second so you can see my feet. Let's find a place where I can put my feet and aim you down. So right there. So I will have to stand back there to do it. Okay, so let's see what I got here. I've got everything on this seat. Move all this junk over. Okay, so here we go. So this is what it looks like. Actually, these are pretty decent size for me. My toe, I usually wear like an 8.5, so my toe's only gone up to about here, where probably I would want a little bit better. I'm going to give these ones, yeah, I'll use these ones with socks. I'm not giving them away. Yeah, use them with socks, but I don't have any socks on right now, so my feet are like this. But these are good. I feel they've got a lot of good padding on the bottom, so I could use these for a good long walk. They do feel nice. I think they look kind of cool. Um, Let me just look inside and show you guys what the inside kind of looks like here. So inside we have a uh, pad here, which is kind of a good rubbery pad in the bottom there. It's kind of hard now. So this is where you're getting most of your padding from. So if you want to put a different insole in there, it gives you the ability to do that as well. So that's kind of nice. And let me push this back in there. Oh, I didn't line it up. So there we go. So that is it there, and it's got the little logo on there as well. And these are nice. They're made out of kind of, they've got like a rubbery kind of stuff on parts of it here, but then it's got the mesh stuff here. So it's a good little airy shoe. I'm going to guess it's not going to necessarily be waterproof, but it'll be good for a nice little trail run on some stuff. Got a little bit of flex on there, so good for hiking and stuff. It says it's a trail runner. I don't know. I have some other fancy running shoes, so I don't know about that. It says, see, you can wash it in the machine, but not above 30 degrees. Keep in a cool, dry place. Don't expose to the sun too long, and avoid dampness. Yeah, you don't really want to get running shoes wet. But these are great. These are nice looking shoes. They seem good. They seem like they'll probably last me. So I'm going to say these are nice. Thumbs up for sure.